Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the Lenovo C940, the Yoga series at Lenovo has. Really like this computer. It's really nifty. It's got the biometrics where you can use your fingerprint to unlock it. The screen design is really well, like the lighting is good and it doesn't like seem dim. It's real bright. It's also touch screen, which is really cool. So like for example, if I'm going to go ahead and want to use the touch screen, I can do that and it will open up. And the screen resolution is really good. I use this a lot for my work as well as email experience. Never have any real hard issues with like storage or holding files. I would say it's a pretty good computer to have. The price is affordable for the features that are offered, and I would highly recommend if you're looking to be have a nice laptop for a student or a small business.